Yellow, 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 yellow to the fellow.
Keep going, Chloe. Chloe.
Hey, get her. Go back to get the other one. Here it comes. Carla, get out and sweep.
Oh, all right, come on. You got two.
Come on, Chloe. Get that third one. Come on, get him, Chloe. Get him, Chloe.
Come on, where's that other yellow card?
Right behind you. Oh, shit.
30 seconds. 30 seconds to get those cows in there.
Yeah, get in there, Chloe. Get in there, Chloe. Get in there, Chloe.
Just the nose. Time. Good
Look.
job, 14. Team number 1478.467. Two cows. Please sweep and settle. And then we will start our third and final go-around. Sweep and settle before exiting. Team number 1, which is Joe, Gary, and Tim. Please get ready to have your third and final look at the cows.
What I expect you to tell me.
All right, Jeff, if you could just hold the gate for 1 sec before we start round number 3. Hold on 1 sec while I get my colors in order.
Whoa.